Hi, income tax rules. You know there are two regimes, new and then the old one. So there are 12 new income tax rules. The taxpayers will have to accept these 12 new rules. 1. New tax regime is now the default tax regime. Complete format on the ITR portal, income tax portal, will be according to the new tax regime only. If you want to choose to file the income tax in the old regime, then you will have to choose it separately. There is no change in the old tax regime with exemptions like investments and HRA. Number 2, tax slabs have changed in the new tax regime. There are 6 of it. Income up to 3 lakh is free, 3 lakh to 6 lakh is 5%, 6 lakh to 9 lakh is 10%, 9 lakh to 12 lakh is 15%, 12 lakh to 15 lakh is 20%, anything above that 30%. Point 3. Under 87A, in the new tax regime, rebate will be available. Those having income up to 7 lakhs with exemption need not pay tax. That is, those having income up to 7 lakhs will not have to pay tax even without claiming any exemptions. Above 7 lakhs of income, pay only for additional amount of the income. Point 4. Standard deduction will be available for the first time. Benefit of standard deduction of rupees 50,000 under new tax regime is introduced. Till now, it was available for only the old tax regime. Point 5. Tax surcharge. Tax surcharge has come down from 37% to 25%. Taxpayers coming above 5 crores annually will now pay 25% of the surcharge. 6. Exemption in the leave encashment. For non-government salaried professional, it has been increased from 3 lakhs to 25 lakhs. Point 7. Taxation on the life insurance. Income from life insurance policies issued after April 1, 2023, on which you pay a premium of more than 5 lakhs annually, will be taxable. That means you have to pay tax on the premium amount which you are paying above 5 lakhs on any insurance policy. Point 8. Taxation on the mutual fund. Debt mutual fund whose exposure to equity is less than 35% will no longer get the benefit of long-term capital gain tax. If you hold them for a period of more than 3 years, then you will have to pay small-term capital gain tax. Point 9. Taxation on the house property. Till now, taxpayers were entitled to tax incentives under Section 54 and 54F for selling any house property or capital asset and investing the proceeds in a new house within one financial year. But from 1st April, the limit of this incentive will be 10 crores. That is, on the amount above this, you have to pay a tax at 20% rate. 10th point, limit raised under 44AD and 44ADA. That means for MSME under 44ADA, 2 crore to 3 crore it has been increased, and for professionals it has been increased from 50 lakh to 75 lakh to pay the tax. However, cash receipt should not exceed 5% of that. 11.11. Taxation on the gold conversion. If you convert physical gold into e-gold, that is paper gold, or paper gold e-gold to physical gold, from 1st April, no capital gain tax to be paid. So this is an exemption now. The last point, the 12th one, tax on online gaming. Online gaming under Section 115BBJ. Income earned on online gaming, be it cash, vouchers, or whatever mode it is, will attract a TDS at the rate of 30%. So go through these 12 basic points on the income tax and then choose wisely on how to reduce the tax payability or what are the obligations to pay the tax to the government whenever the income comes from these sources. Thank you very much for patiently watching. Keep watching and supporting by subscribing to Krupa Vibes YouTube channel. Give your comment in the description for me to grow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.